I talked to a lot of people before I decided to play for Creamline. And siguro yung biggest factor is it's really the environment and yung culture ng team. Since, sabi ko, kailangan for my new team, I want to be part of something bigger than playing volleyball. I think very important yung relationship inside and outside the court. And ang dami nagsasabi na, syempre, iba ang mag-alaga ang release ko. So far, everyone's really welcoming, very accommodating, and naramdaman ko na part talaga ako ng family.
With what happened with Cherry Tigo nga, parang as a player din, you've been there for quite a while. How did it instantly feel? Or yung kumbaga may thought agad about the future, saan mapupunta, ano mangyayari?
Actually, at first, I was really surprised na yun nga, na-disband yung team. Was really sad because, syempre, yung uncertainty, parang you don't know, I mean, not everyone had the same, opportunity agad. Unlike sa ibang players na nakakapaglaro, di ba? Hindi lahat meron agad offers. Syempre, during that time, you can't be selfish. Di ba? Parang iisipin mo pa rin talaga yung ibang mong teammates. Like, paano na sila, di ba? And paano na yung bond na-create namin inside the team. But, yeah, it happened. I think, parang, I'm just looking forward na, nung time na yon na lahat magkaroon ng team. So, since most of us naman, thank God, meron ng team, I'm very excited to see them sa kabilang court naman. Kasi ako lang yung natira sa Cherry na napunta sa Creamline and wala ko ibang teammate na galing Cherry. So, it's a really different environment. And I'm really looking forward to playing against them naman ngayon.
With Gia nga, your friendship na din from the national team and
Yes.
beyond, how big of a siguro part din was her in your decision din to join Greenland?
Wala siyang part. Joke. Actually, nung kinakwento sa akin na Regia, yung mga experiences with Rubisco, syempre di natin isa-isahin, but everything was really, sinabi niya lang na Rubisco was really all-out support. Nasa national team ka man, di ba? Andyan sila to support you. And it's more than just volleyball eh. Parang they will take care of you, not just inside or while you're playing, but outside the court. Kung ano yung kailangan mo, ng family mo. And it's really a family. They treat me like a family. So I'm really, really grateful to be a part of Creamline.
Jen, yung mga players, lalo yung mga imports, yung mga first-timers sa Creamline, tuwang-tuwa sila pag unang pasok nila sa team. So ikaw so far, early on, ano masasabi mo sa culture nitong Creamline?
Ayun nga, yeah, ibang-iba yung work ethic. Sabi ko nga yung interviews kanina na kahit na veteran pa sila, tagal na naglalaro, yung eagerness nila to learn more, yung eagerness nila to win is always there. Yung pagiging competitive, hindi sila nagsasettle for anything less. Na kahit pagod sila, makikita mo na everyone wants to improve. Like nung nag-training camp kami last week lang, nakita namin syempre pagod lahat. But everyone is encouraging bawat isa na we have to do this kasi may goal tayo. And the goal is very clear sa amin. So, ang ganda lang na yung mga ates namin are the ones really pushing us. So, syempre, pag bata ka and sumusunod ka sa mga ates and you look up to them, di ba? Parang pag ganun yung attitude or mentality ng ates, syempre you have to follow.